Here's the question then, simplify these two things. So let's have a look at the video now. Pause the video, have a go at the questions of course, but I've got the questions here. I'll just write down the solution here, hopefully for A. Well, I might actually just copy it. So let's just copy that and then paste it below here. So this is part A then. So we'll need to rationalize the denominator, won't we? So 2 plus 5 root 7. We've got a 4 plus root 7 here. So if we times top and bottom then by 4 minus root 7, then we'll be able to get a rational number or realize a real number underneath in the denominator. So let's do this then. We've got, expand this bracket at the same time. 2 4s are 8. Minus 2 root 7. Third term, 4 5s are 20, so it's plus 20 root 7. And then the last term, plus times a minus is a minus. 5 root 7 times root 7 is 5 times 7, which is 35. So that's the top then. Let's just divide that by the bottom now then. So here we've got the middle two terms disappear, so it's just the first term, 16. And then plus times minus is a minus. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. So we end up with then, let's have a look at this. 8 minus 35 is minus 27, isn't it? And then minus 2 plus 20. 20 take 2 lots of root 7 is 18. Root 7 over 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. There's a 9 common on top. Let's take that outside a bracket and then put this term first. So we'll have 2 root 7, won't we, to make 18, and then minus the 3 in the second position here to make the minus 27. So we wrote it this way around because it's easier on the eye. Cancel the 9 then, top and bottom, and we're left with 2 root 7 minus 3. Okay, that's part A. Now part B, let's just copy that again. Here, I need to get the whole thing in. Hopefully that's it there. Copy that then, and I'll paste it below. Okay, let's take it down and we'll work with this now, part B. So let's have a go. So root 360 is 36 times 10. So this equals root 36 times root 10, which is actually root 2 times root 5, and there's root 2s and root 5s here. So let's just put that down as root 2 times root 5. And the root 36 is 6, isn't it? So that's root 2, root 5, which is actually root 10. So I am gonna leave it as root 10. There's a good reason why I'll do that now. Next. So let's just put root 10. Here I've got root 5 cubed, so I'm going to take 2 of those root 5s to make a 5, and then I'm going to leave the final root 5 here to be times by the root 2 to make root 10. So hopefully you could see that 2 of these, root 5 times root 5 was just 5, and then one of these is left, times it by root 2, you get the root 10 part, so that's everything taken care of, and the minus. Here, this will cancel with that because there's a root 5 and times root 6 here. So the root 6's will cancel to leave root 5. And root 8 is also root 2 times root 2 times root 2, isn't it? So that's 2 root 2. So we end up with 2 root 10 minus 2 root 10. So we've got 6 root 10. So I'm just going to change that now. The root 36 I'm going to put as 6. So it's 6 root 10, take 5 root 10 minus 2 root 10. 6 minus 7 is minus root 10. So that looks like the answer there. So there's A and B then done.